Hello everyone, I'm Ever Henrico, together with Lars Vincent Pascual and Care Stephen Sunga. We are third year students studying BSIT from Latran Calamba. In this video, we are here to present our project on mobile programming, which is a music player mobile application created using Android Studio.
Moving on, here is an overview on the app's interface. First, on the center of the screen is an icon or text display that changes between songs. Next is the title or the name of the song. Underneath it is also a seek bar which can be used to shift through the song. The time elapsed and remaining time of the song is also displayed on both ends of the seek bar. Lastly, we have major buttons that can be used to jump between songs, play or pause the currently queued song, as well as a slider to control the volume.
So next up we have our code and the application run. So this is our XML file which contains our layout. So we have here a constraint layout and the image view, the text view, the seek bars and our buttons. Following with our program, so this is the Java function, and in here we have two important imports, which is media player for our media commands like play or pause. Then we have handler, which is basically some sort of multitasker. So while the main process is running, it could execute some sub or mini processes in the background. So you'll see later, and this is our functions. So this is our declaration and some override commands, some looping and seeking set volumes. Where's our handler here? So pulling up our emulator, we have our seek bar and the timestamps. So the handler, while our song is playing, or the process is playing the songs, as the song plays, our seek bar and our timestamps would match the timestamps of the song that it's playing. So this is it here, updating the seek bar position and updating the time view. The time view is basically our timestamps, and we have our functions here for the play button. If the song is playing, it changes into a pause button. I'll show you that later. And this is our next button, so skip, and then the previous button for going back to the last song that we just played. So here we have update text view, which is going to change the name, like music player, to the name of the song. And then we have update image view, which is going to change this image depending on which song is playing. So we have 3 images and 3 songs and 3 song titles. So let's get on with running the application. As you can see, it's going to be playing songs and using our volume button here. And this is our seek bar. We could navigate through the song with this. We could skip along. Maybe go back even. So as you can see, our play button has now changed to a pause button. And it works just like a pause button would. Now we use our skip button, or the next button. It's going to play our next song in the array. Our volume controls still work, as do our timestamps. And please notice that the image has changed and the song title has changed. This is our third song, and then skipping along this song as well. See? So as you noticed earlier, we had a loop function. On our third song, if we were to go into the next number in the array, it would actually go back to the first one. So that would be Usagi Flap from earlier. So as you can see, back to Usagi Flap. And if we were to go back from here, it would actually return to Constant Moderato. And that's all of it. Thank you for listening.